Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel OneTech, and as you guys have already read the title, that today we are going to fix the black box icon which may appear while making invisible folder. In my previous video I have shown how to make an invisible folder. I recommend you to watch that video first before watching this video, cause you might be lucky and find no problem like this. Okay, so be sure to check it out video out. You can check it out from I button or from my description below. I have given the link of it. So today we are going to fix this black icon which is very annoying while creating an invisible folder by using just a simple file icon. Okay, so which is obviously transparent. Okay? So I have given the link of the transparent icon. You can go to the description and just download it from there. Okay, and after downloading it, select your folder and go to its properties and click on customize tab, and then just go to the icons. And today we are not going to use this for transparent icon which is defaultly available, but we are going to use our own transparent icon which we have just downloaded. Go to the browse and just browse the transparent icon. Okay, then just browse it, and this is the transparent icon, and just select it. Be sure to select it and click OK, and then just drag it right and click apply and click OK, and boom guys, you can see it worked. It fixed my black box problem, and I hope your black box is also transparent now. So if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to be notified at first when we post our further videos. Until that, peace out.